Hey, it's me Mishanda. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you these beautiful fruity popsicles. The summer is ending and you can't end the summer without having any of these. Like, why will you do that? It's about 90 degrees today in Minnesota. This is probably the last day of summer because it's so hot, and I just felt like something cold and I ran out of ice cream, so I was like, let me just make some popsicles. Let's get started. You will need for sure an ice pop maker and a blender to make sure that your fruits are very smooth. Unless you like it a little bit chunky, you can go ahead and do that. But I have these ice pop makers that I grabbed from Home Goods. If you have not watched my Home Good video haul, make sure to go and check that out. I'm gonna put it right here right now, and also link it below so you can go check it out. Mango is one of my favorite fruits, so of course I had to make some popsicles with this fruit because I like my mango a little bit crunchy. These were so soft, I was like, this is perfect to make the smoothie. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. In the blending cup, I'm going to add my mango. Because the mango is so sweet, I'm not going to be adding any sugar. I'm going to add my milk, just a little bit of milk to be able to blend that. Let's blend it. So yummy. In that same bowl, I'm gonna add some fresh strawberries, just a tiny bit of milk. My strawberries are not actually very sweet. I'm gonna add some condensed milk to it. It's about a teaspoon. You don't want it too sweet. Next popsicle is gonna be blackberries. Add your blackberries. I'm gonna put a few of these leftovers raspberries that I had. Because these are not sweet, I'm gonna add a little bit of condensed milk just to give it that sweetness. You can always substitute this with like honey or sugar. I prefer to just use the condensed milk. I'm not putting a lot, it feels like I am, but it's just sticking on the spoon. Add your milk, just a little bit, enough to blend this. Here we have mango and strawberry. I'm going to put the blackberries here. I did make a lot more mangoes. I'm going to do here blackberries and mango, and we might do one more mango. Blackberries and mango. I'm going to pour the rest of my blackberries in here and just make something out of it. I'm gonna try to make a marble one. So here you have your popsicles. I'm going to go ahead and freeze these for at least 6 hours. I'm actually going to freeze these all the way till tomorrow, and we're gonna take it out and I'll show you what it looks like. So here you have mango and blackberries, blackberries, mango, strawberries, strawberries and mango, and the marble. So here are my 6 popsicles, and let me know which one of these is your favorite. So we have here blackberries and mango, and here we have blackberries, we have mango, which is my favorite. I have strawberries here, strawberries and mango, and because I had some leftover of the blackberries and the mango, I kind of like mix it together, and this is what it looks like at the end. I'm going to go ahead and try my favorite, which is the mango. Let's try this. This is really good. This is really good. It's very cold. My teeth are kind of like sensitive to cold sometimes. This is very cold. It's very creamy. I'm not surprised the mango is this creamy. I'm gonna try the marble one. See how it is. I feel like the mango overpowered the blackberries. My tooth. It's perfect. So, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you try one of these recipes at home. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Especially if you are trying to stay on the healthy side. If you have kids, or if it's for yourself and you don't want to have too much sugar and you want to know what's actually in your popsicles, try these at home and you'll love them. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you have not yet done so. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.